Usborne Phonics Readers. Underpants for ants. Nan sells fancy fans and lamps, handbells, clamshells, pans and stamps. But customers just stay away, and so she sits and knits all day. One cold night, Nan lights a candle and grabs a small pan by the handle. But as she pours soup from a can, a gang of ants leaves from the pan. We sneaked in from the freezing storm. We are sneezing now. Please keep us warm. Hot water bottles would be nice. Our bottoms feels as cold as ice. I can help you, Nan declares. I have yards of yarn to spare. I'll knit you something warm to wear. Thin or thick, just take your pick. I can knit it double quick. Nan's whisker twitch. Her needles click. Just watch. She's finished in a tick. Handmade underpants. How grand! I am rusty. Toasty. Thank you, Nan. Soon bugs are hopping up the hill. Nan's shop is full and so's her till. Nan gets a snug hug from the ants. Thanks for a wonderful underpants. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.